Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning 10 class. Today we will discuss components of human skeleton. As you know, human skeleton is made up of 206 bones, and these bones they are organized into two forms of skeleton. First one is the exoskeleton, that is from the longitudinal axis, and it is made up of bones which is present in head and trunk of the body. Okay. Second form of the skeleton is the appendicular skeleton. Okay. So these are the two ways in which human 206 bones are arranged. Okay. First one is the axial skeleton. Axial skeleton is made up of 80 bones. Okay. And these bones are present in the head and trunk of the body. Okay. And these 80 bones, they arrange themselves into 5 parts. Okay. First one is the skull. In skull there is 22 bones. Out of these 22 bones, 8 are cranial bones. Cranial bones are present inside the skull, and 14 are the facial bones. So 8 plus 14 is the 22 bones present in the skull. And then there is ossicles, or middle ear bones, which is present in the ear, and these are 6 bones and 3 in each ear. Okay, so these are middle ear ossicles. And then there is a bone in the neck which is known as hyoid bone. Okay, there is a hyoid bone in a neck. And next one is the vertebral column. Vertebral column contains 26 bones. Okay, and then there is a chest bone which is known as sternum. Okay, and then there is a 24 bones present in the rib in the form of 12 pairs. So these 5 parts form the exoskeleton, which are made up of 80 bones. Okay, you have to remember learn these bones. सब MCQs में अक्सर पूछ लिया जाता है कि आपसे कि what are the bones present in the skull, how many bones are present in the chest, what is hyoid bone, what is sternum, and what is ossicles, and how many bones are present. So these नंबर्स आप लोगों को अच्छी तरह से याद होने चाहिए. अक्सर दीज आर इम्पॉर्टेंट रिगार्डिंग पेपर्स के हिसाब से आपके लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट इज द appendicular skeleton. It is made up of 126 bones, and these bones are present in the leg and arm portion, and they are also present in the shoulder and hip bone. Shoulder bone is also known as pectoral girdle, and it is made up of 4 bones. Okay, so pectoral girdle is the bone of arm, and it is present in the shoulder. And arm has 6 bones, and both hand have 54 bones. So these are the total bones present in the arm. Then the pelvic girdle, which is hip bones, and it consists of 2 bones, and leg has 6 bones, and then your feet forms the 44 bones. So these are the appendicular skeleton. These skeletons shows the different bones present in the human body. This portion, skull and body, trunk, form the exoskeleton. This form the exoskeleton, which constitute skull, rib, vertebral column. These all are the bones of exoskeleton. Okay, and then appendicular skeleton forms the bones in arm, these arms, and plus shoulder bone, which is known as pectoral girdle, and then hip bone and feet, your leg, they form the appendicular skeleton. So these are the different bones, 206 bones, which is present in the human skeleton. ओके आपने इसको लर्न करना है बोन्स के नंबर्स के हिसाब से. ओके देन देयर इज सम इंफॉर्मेशन regarding a scientist which his name is Andreas Vesalius, and he is honored for developing modern anatomical studies. बहुत सारी anatomy से related study की गई थी, and he was a Belgium scientist, and he made many discoveries in anatomy based on studies made by dissection of human body dead bodies. ठीक है ना, human dead bodies की dissection के बाद उन्होंने उनकी एनाटमी डिफरेंट इंटरनल पार्ट जो है बॉडी के वो उन्होंने उससे रिलेटेड इनकी स्टडी थी. हिज बुक कंटेन द मोस्ट एक्यूरेट डिपिक्शंस ऑफ द होल स्केलेटन मसल्स ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी. ठीक है, उनमें बुक में स्केलेटन से रिलेटेड एंड मसल्स से रिलेटेड भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन है. सो दिस इज़ द इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग अ साइंटिस्ट विच नेम इज़ एंड्रियास वेसिलस. Okay, then there is information regarding jaws in human and mammals. The upper jaw is fixed and it is composed of 2 bones. Okay, and the lower jaw is made up of 1 bone and it's articulated with skull. Okay, so the mammal have lower jaw which have single bone. And this is very important regarding इसके बहुत सारे benefits हैं. Actually in lower vertebrates the lower jaw is made up of more than 1 bones, while in mammal what happened during evolution, mammals modified the bones and incorporated 4 of them into middle ears in the form of malleus and innux in the ear. Okay, in human what happened, the lower jawbone is modified and it contain only 1 bone, and its 4 bone is moved into the ear, and this help in improving hearing. And lower jaw with single bone is stronger. Okay, and for other mammals के लिए ये बहुत important है, and for humans too, that's lower jaw with single bone is more stronger, and the adaptations of malleus and innx also improve hearing. So this is a modification of the lower jaw, and this is also important regarding papers में भी question से related आ जाता है, how lower jaw modification in mammals is beneficial to them. इस तरह के questions पूछ लिए जाते हैं. So this is the information regarding jaws of mammals and other vertebrates. Okay, learn today's lesson. Make MCQs, short questions. ये long के लिए भी question आ सकता है, components of human skeleton, but MCQs के लिए mostly इसमें से जो बोन्स, ऐसे मैंने आप लोगों को नंबर्स का बताया, वो अक्सर पूछ लिया जाता है. ओके, लर्न इट. ओके, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.